Course name 23 ITO 201 software testing open elective. Third year, sixth semester. Unit number 4 test management. The topic name structure testing group and technical training program. This is the most important process in your area. So we have concentrate that one in structure testing group and technical program process. So every testing of method. For example, starting from requirement to requirement design and design and implementation, testing and maintenance. Each and every process we have concentrate the testing group step by step and following some procedure and strategy whether it is okay or not. This is one of the way in your area. So this is a soft testing hierarchy. We have using hierarchy we implemented in your process, starting from unit testing and integration testing, and it is system testing and acceptance testing sectors. So unit testing based on testing individual and software component, integrated testing and testing interaction between software module, and system testing based on test complete and software system, and acceptance testing based on verify and software meets user requirement. So each and every process we have a separate work we get done in your sectors in the area. So this is a core structure of the testing group based on your test management and tester, a specialized role, and test analysis designer and automation engineers. So test management based on QA manager and test lead and testers, manual tester and functional tester, and specialist role based on performance tester and security tester, and test analysis based on your test scenario, test data, and test cases. An automation engineer based on your regression testing and functional testing and your sectors in the area. So each and every group we have using particular work based on your testing. For example, I'm a quality manager, so I have some test cases. So test scenario we accept after then delivery of my product in your area. Suppose I'm tester, functional testing or manual testing. So done your process after completion whether the test case is pass or fail. Performance test based on security and test cases in the area in your role based on some specialization. Test analysis based on scenario, test data, and test cases in the sectors. And automation engineer based on regression testing and functional testing and step-by-step complete your process whether okay or not your product in your delivery in your sectors. So this is a component of technical training program. So we have using starting from methodology, tools and techniques, process and certified. So methodology we have using SDLC, software testing lifecycle model. So second agile and scrum and V model verification and validation model, and tools Jira, Selenium, Postman. Technique we have using black box testing or white box testing, and process test planning, test case design, and test estimation and defect management and certified ISTQP. So this function based on starting from we have using five phases. Five phases means starting from requirement, design, implementation, and testing and maintenance. So this process very easily to implement what's going on my industries. So this is a software testing process starting from review PRS and RSS software recommend specification. Second, development tested documentation. Third, config tested environment. Fourth, run the test, and fifth, file defects. So example, examining business and system recommend documents and develop test documentation based on create the test plan and cases and matrix, and setting up necessary testing infrastructures and execute test case and defect identify process, and final file defects reporting and tracking of identify issues in the my projects. If any problem arise in my software development, and I have two type of method. One called the specialization from other industry, and another one industry experts from in internal. So both are together sit and discuss and find out, analyze and execute your proper way in your area. So this is my activity, test case design group based on understanding the role of my test team, and take a given project online banking system and design testing team structure based on that one, and test manager, test lead, and test engineers, automation tester, and performance testers. So draw the hierarchy diagram and follow understanding of my what's going on my project and starting to ending in your software development. So this is my structure of test grouping. So what is the main purpose of test grouping in structures? Yes, answer is B is right. Define role and responsibility. And what is the responsible overall testing strategy? And based on test manager in your sectors. So this is a mind map. Easily identify what's going on my topic in your area. So first one is structure test grouping. What does the testing group do like? And role of technical training. Why is the training is important of testers? Skill development and efficiency development, quality assurance. Test managers, the test lead, test engineers, test engineers based on the automation, maintenance, test engineers based on your defect reporting, test lead based on your monitoring and control of my projects. And benefit of proper training your what area upgraded my skills and fewer defects. I improved my collaborations. And benefit proper training based on planning and strategy, and test allocation training, and test case design and gramming, and load and trust in based testing process. So these counts are we have available, we have implement easily in my software development. So goal, build a skill test team, reliable software or good quality of software to produce and at every level. This is my textbooks references. Thank you.